Hey YouTube, it's your girl Spechel Nicole and I am back with another YouTube video. Here on my channel I provide you with videos about my Microloc journey, and I also try to provide y'all with a little bit of different content even though I know you love to see my Microlocs. Today is going to be a lock video, but if you're interested in other videos, I also do videos on makeup, skincare, and I share lifestyle content that features my fiance, my wedding planning journey, and just my everyday life in general. So if that's your kind of thing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stick around and keep watching this video because today we are doing a lock style. So tomorrow is my bridal shower, and not only is it my bridal shower, I am also participating in a natural hair photo shoot. So my hair has to be extra on point. So I am going to attempt a different kind of style today. I mentioned on my Instagram stories. If you're not following me there, go ahead and make sure you follow me at Spechel_Nicole so you can interact with me on my stories, because I'm always posting things and asking questions, doing polls, all those different types of things. So go ahead and hit that follow button. But anyway, I shared on my Instagram stories a couple weeks ago that I was attempting to learn how to do barrel rolls. That is still an attempt. I have not perfected it, but I do want to incorporate some type of barrel roll or multiple barrel rolls into this hairstyle for this photo shoot and my bridal shower. So the barrel rolls are, like I said, not going to be perfect, but I am going to show you how you can achieve them on your Microlocs. If you are a Microlocker or an aspiring one, you're waiting to start your journey, today's the day. We're also going to incorporate some curls. Y'all seen me do perm rods a million times, so I'm not going to do much of a tutorial there. If you want to know how to apply perm rods, I will link previous videos that I have done rod sets on in the comments, in the description box below. But anyway, let's get into today's tutorial. My hair has been in these French braids pretty much all day. I finished my retie a couple of days ago, so it is fresh, as you can see. And I also did a steam treatment slash oil moisturizing routine last night, so it should be not only clean but moisturized and ready to be styled today. The video on that will be coming out. It should be already be out by the time you're watching this, but if not, it will be out soon. So I'm going to take these braids down and then I'll be back. The braids out now. I'm going to spray them with just some water to try to loosen them up, wake them up. They're a little stiff, of course, from being in braids all day. Alright, so the issue I'm having with this hairstyle idea is I don't really know how I want it to look. I'm kind of thinking barrel rolls to the side, hair come this way, you know. But let's see. Before I get into the actual style, I thought it would be easier to demonstrate how to do the barrel roll just simply working right here in the center of my head, so you can get a straight on look at what I'm doing, so you can do it to, or visualize how to do it to your own hair. So this is the section that I am going to be working with for the barrel roll. On the barrel roll, you're going to start with a small amount of your locks in that section in the front, and you're going to start off like doing a 2-strand twist like this. So I'm going to twist it a couple of times, and then now I'm going to bring, alright, so now I've done my 2-strand twist. I'm going to take a couple of locks from the left side and cross it over in front and wrap it around. I'm going to wrap it twice, and then I'm going to grab a couple of locks from the right side and wrap it around. like so. And then I am going to continue that all the way back. So alternating between the grabbing locks from the left side and grabbing locks from the right side. Alright, so now we are at the end, and I didn't grab a rubber band, but now will be the time where you put a rubber band around to secure it. And this is a barrel roll. So I'm gonna take this out and then we're gonna figure out my hairstyle. So this is what I'm thinking, something coming back this way and then the curls and everything fall here. That's what I'm thinking. It would be great if I could do it all up. Ooh, that does look cute, but I've never worn my hair like that. I don't know how new I want to go. And I don't know if I can see back there. Yeah, I'm not ready for that. So we're gonna do probably, I can't see. Do this section with barrel rolls, probably 2, maybe 2. And then all of this will get rolled up. Alright, so we're going to start with this section first. And I gotta figure out how I'm going to start. So, this is where we are, but I still feel like I want this look. But that would mean I have to do 3 things, at least 3 back there. Do I feel like doing that? We have this, or we have this. I'm gonna attempt it, but I can't do it on camera, so I'll be back. Oh, I did it. I wish that I was able to curve the back a little bit more so it wasn't just straight up and down back there. But other than that, I think I'm content. I'll spin around so y'all can see what the back looks like. Alright, and so now I'm going to roll this side. I'm trying to roll up the ends of the whatchamacallit, rows too. So we'll see. So I had to go up in size in my perm rods. So I have this purple size and this white size. They look like the purple's slightly bigger, so I'm going to use it on the bottom, and then the white I'm going to use on the top. For products, I'm going to use something new as well. I have this Talia Waheed Crinkles and Curl Natural Hair Setting and Styling Lotion. This is something I haven't tried before, so I'm excited to see how it works. And then tomorrow I'm probably going to spray it with this curl shine that I also got from the same line. It's Talia Waheed Hydrate and Curl Shine, and that is all I'm using. Of course, a little water. I don't want to get it too wet because I need it to dry tomorrow. So I'm not going to record myself rolling my hair because, again, I've done that plenty of times on this channel. So I'm going to put the perm rods in, come back, let y'all see, say goodnight, and then we will see what we get tomorrow when I take it down. So I'll see you in a second. Alright, so I'm back and I have finished adding in all of my perm rods. I had left these 2 out. I wish I would have put them in now, but it's out. I'm not taking this back out and doing it over. So it is what it is, but I have everything rolled. I did, like I said, the larger, what kind of appears to be larger, purple ones on the bottom and white up top. And then as far as what's left out, I just pinned it down because I couldn't really get a perm rod on it. So I'll spin around, let y'all see. Alright, so I can't wait to see what we get in the morning. Hopefully everything goes good. Fingers crossed. I'll see y'all in the AM. Y'all, what we think. First of all, ignore all the chaos you see behind me because the whole room is chaotic, and I just wanted to make sure I was able to get this clip for y'all before my day got completely busy. So hair is done. I really love how it came out. I hope my curls hold up today. They're not as tight as I would like them, but I do like how it came out. I may spray my hair with some holding spray just so I can get through all these events that I have to get through today. But what do y'all think? Is she cute? So that is just a quick look at my style, doing barrel rolls up to a side. I guess you can call it a Microloc updo. Comment and let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.